And they're both turning 21 tonight. Give them a round of applause. So we're going to have Mark hula hoop for everybody. This is like welcoming the hula hoop in front of everyone at Hooters. And then we're going to have you be Hootie the Owl, because unfortunately we lost our mascot. So you're going to fill in for him, okay? Fill in for him. Those are your wings, those are your beaks, and you have your tail feathers.
I'm in the way of her.
And you're going to run around the entire restaurant so everyone can see you and shake your tail feathers. Everyone cheer along. If they don't do what they're told, they'll all of you in here around a beer.
Oh, shoot.
You better do what you're told. I will